project cargo refers to transporting large, heavy or high value items are often critical parts of bigger projects. So think of wind turbines, factory equipment or oil rigs. These shipments often require multiple modes of transport and specialised handling which are complex and time sensitive. So project cargo is all about meticulous planning and coordination. It's not just about putting on a truck or a boat. Roads, bridges, ports and even weather can create problems. So these items often require special permits or escorts. To overcome these, we usually detail planning, experienced teams, local partnerships and strong coordination between both. Every move's like a military operation. People that are involved in it, so customs, local agents, partnerships in that origin country, destination country, shipping lines, haulage companies. So there's varied people that's part of that process. Understanding the client's project scope, timelines and technical requirements. So from there we create a detailed logistics plan, including transport methods, analysis, paperwork and backups for all eventualities. So we stay in close contact with the customer throughout the way to keep them informed and involve and adapt if any changes occur. Given the international scope of many projects, every country has its own rules and regulations and what can come in, what can go out, how it's taxed, how it must be handled. Our global network of agents and partners provides local insights. We maintain strong relationships with port authorities, customs officials, and really to facilitate smooth transactions across the borders. KC Group Shipping sustainability is foundational in our logistics approach. For example, we've helped clients use fuel-efficient routes, reduce unnecessary packaging and combine shipments to cut down on emissions. In one particular project we coordinated with barge transport rather than roads, which significantly lowered emissions. Safety is paramount. It's embedded into every phase from planning through to execution. We carry out risk assessments before anything moves. We use specific planning material and software which ensures we have the right equipment in place, which we can visualise the goods specifically in the equipment before the goods are shipped. Technology and tracking are essential in the management of these consignments. We use advanced tracking systems, real-time updates and digital documentation to keep everything visible and under control which the customer can access. Our processes and procedures ensure visibility at all times and at every stage. My advice to anyone managing project cargo is to start and plan early. Don't go it alone. As a trusted logistics partner, KC Group Shipping can support you from the beginning to the end of the project. The more that we understand your needs, the better we can plan and help you avoid surprises down the road. Most importantly, stay involved and informed throughout the process. I'm Sarah Jane Lowe, Head of Sales at KC Group Shipping.